Hey, my name is Karina La Dulce. I'm a world music singer and composer, and I really want to share with you my experience of singing, my experience of how I learned to enjoy my voice physically and emotionally. And we will start with the simplest thing ever, with the breathing. So let's just make fast and powerful inhale like that. To make it, try to open your nostrils and imagine that you want to smell something super tasty and you want to absorb it immediately. And try to make it fast. Very good job. And now let's go to the next part. Put your hands on the low part of your abdomen, just keeping it like that. And when you will do this fast and powerful inhale, try to expand your abdomen in all directions, like in front, on sides, and back. Yeah, let's try. Okay, so if your hands are doing that movement, so it means that you are doing good. Let's try again. Very good job. Try to relax your shoulders, your neck. Just relax it. And let's do that again. Okay. And now we will go to the super advanced thing. After you will make this inhale, and after you expand your abdomen in all directions, just try to fix it in that expanded statement. Just fix it. Let's try. Expand, fix. Okay, very good job. And you may ask me, how should I fix it? What should I use to fix it? So use your upper abdomen muscles to press on your low abdomen muscles. So just create this tension and try to fix your abdomen in expanded statement. Let's try again. So we have fast and powerful inhale. At the same time, we expand our abs and then we fix it. And we are creating pressure of upper abdomen muscles. And that way we expand our low abdomen muscles. Let's try. Very good job. Okay. And now, when you will fix it, try to just open your mouth as possible as you can, like ah, and try to make a simple sound as long as you can make it. And while you will sing that sound, while you will make it longer and longer, try to keep your abs expanded till the very end. So when you will feel that your air is ending and you will die now, so just try to expand your abs more and more. And after that you can relax it. Okay, let's try. So fast and powerful inhale, expanding abs, fixing it, creating a pressure and a sound. Okay, very, very good job. So this way of breathing, this fixed, expanded abdomen that is creating the pressure of the air. So this way of breathing is the only way that will help your voice, your singing voice or your speaking voice sound much more better, deeper, and much more beautifully. So, and this is the only way that will help you to enjoy your natural voice, the voice that you really have, your real voice. Because we can enjoy the singing and the speaking only with our real voice, not with the voice of, I don't know, of Whitney Houston, of Beyonce, or other genius singers, only with our own personal voice. Okay, so I hope that you got something from that short lesson, short workout. Please subscribe on my channel, and we will keep going with very interesting things, and with the next steps in the next lesson we will explore how should we work with our larynx and throat muscles to make our voice sound more free. Thank you.
Check it, ita wara wara.